This is a wood box. We made it for a water heater. We put ceramic tiles on the top of the box. And to be sure that ceramic tiles will hold and the top structure will not flex, we use a plywood for a top deck. For framing a box, we use wooden pieces 2 by 4. Ceramic tiles supposed to hold hot pots and other stuff what people may put on a top deck. And I want to be sure that ceramic tiles will not crack under my weight. I'm showing it closer. Okay, this is a top deck, and you see my dirty signs of my footprints. This is front part. This is right side. And this is left side. And a very top view. This is a water heater for what we made, wooden box with the tiles on the top. And you see the price for that water heater. This is already made water heater with metallic, very nice box. And you also see the price for that water heater.